Hello friends, welcome to my channel UI Passion. So today's topic is how to open a local host site on your mobile. Today we will discuss the local site opening process on your mobile phone. As you already know, responsive web design is compulsory if you are designing a website. What is RWD? Actually, RWD stands for responsive web design. This technique is used to display the design page perfectly on every screen size and device. For example, mobile, tablet, iPad, desktop and laptop. You don't need to create a different page for each device. Using media queries, you can achieve this easily using Bootstrap 4 or 5 or other framework which you are hands on to. So if you are creating your web page, you need to check your site on your mobile phone before publishing it. You can use this trick to have a final look at your site on a real device. Please note that in every browser there is responsive mode like this. As you can see, every browser has responsive mode where you can check responsiveness. But in case you want to test your site on your real device like your smartphone before publishing it, then this video is for you. I have taken the following site for reference only, and I have created the code in this. I have created it already. As you can see, these are absolute URLs, so it will single page will work except some images. So if you give absolute, then it's okay to open it anywhere by using single HTML. So we are going step by step. So first of all, please connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi that is connected to your PC or laptop or LAN cable. If your PC connected to LAN cable, but please connect with the same Wi-Fi. Step 2, install XAMPP on your local system. If it is already installed, please open and start the Apache service like this. Now go to the command prompt. I'm typing cmd. Now for IP configuration, I'm typing ipconfig. Now I'm getting all the details, so I'm noting it down. First of all, I'm opening it by simple path, normal path. It's opening. Now I'll open it via IP. So IP is 34. As you can see, folder is showing after starting this service Apache. I'm going project. My folder name is test. In this site name is dummy site. Now it's opening fine. You can check responsiveness, but We are talking about the real device. So now the same URL need to be open on your mobile phone. As mentioned in step also, open your project using IP address, bring the browser address bar, already done. Step 5, ये already working, this is already working. So now we can open it in our mobile Chrome browser. Now I open it my mobile phone, and if you are opening this first time, this kind of screen will display. You need to continue to site. When you press this button, this link, then your finally website will open. So conclusion, this process will save your time, and you don't need to publish your website for checking in real device. Before uploading via FTP or other method, you can check your site, and if you feel site has some error, you can fix and recheck it. So this will save your lots of time as per my experience. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you don't have any idea about them, please watch the tutorial of them, install it, and you can run it. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.